Have you wondered how to create mock-ups for your Etsy store? Like, do you have digital products and you wonder how you can make mock-ups for your shirts, your mugs, and all of that? Today, this video is for you. I'm going to guide you through step by step how you can make mock-ups for different products, like your digital products, your shirts, okay, your mugs, and everything in between. So let's go. All right, guys. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make 3 types of mock-ups. The first one will be for digital items. So if you sell digital items on Etsy, like digital planners, digital worksheets and all of that, I'm going to teach you how to create mock-ups for that. The second one will be for t-shirts. If you sell t-shirts, you create your designs and you print them yourself. I'll be teaching you how to create that one too. And then the third one will be to teach you how to create mugs, mock-ups for mugs, bottles, and all of that. So let's dive right in. So we're going to create our mock-ups here on Canva. Like I told you guys before, if you do not have Canva, please go ahead and sign up to get Canva. It's free. It's an amazing resource for you guys. All right, so we're going to come here first and we're going to type mockups. Okay, and this is so easy to do. And guys, right off the front screen, you can see everything is there, right? So let us start with our digital mockups for our digital planners. So you're going to click on any one you like. You see, there's a lot of them, all right? There's a lot of them, guys. All right, so you click on that and then customize template. So I already downloaded one of the templates for the digital item that we created one time here. And it's right here. So we're going to just go here, drag it and drop it. You can see that. We're going to drag it, drop it. All right, guys, we're going to drag and drop. Oops. And it's as simple as that. Now, if the color scheme does not match what you're trying to do, remember that you can always, change it. So now let's add page and create some more. You're going to go over here, okay? And you're going to click design, all right? So we're going to keep scrolling to see if there's anything listed, but there's nothing. So you're going to click on the search bar and type mockups. All right, so click enter, and as you can see, we have that. So choose it. Okay, add page. Just going to go through all the mockups, okay, to see the one that suits your stuff best. We're going to use this one. All right, click add page. Okay, and you can use this one. You can see. All right, add page again. Wait, did it take away any of my pages? I feel like it did. Let's go back. Yeah, it took away that one. So let's add page again. Oh, that's a duplicate. Undo it. Where's that one? Oh, did I lose it? Oh, there it is. So yeah, now add page again. Okay, and then just go through it and look for every one that suits your, the theme of what you're trying to sell. Okay, so we're going to go back to uploads. You can see the item here. Just drag it, drop it. It's as simple as that. You can crop this one to, make sure. I'm trying to crop this one. Why is it? Okay. Yeah, so you can crop it to make sure you have the part that you want to show. Click on done. All right. Drag it again into here. Drop it. All right. And I'm just going to go ahead and do it for every single thing here. Okay, I know you see all these mockups on Etsy. Okay, so when you create a digital item, this is how to, okay, so we're going to go ahead and change this to goal setting worksheet. We're going to have to change the color scheme because that does not suit or match okay, the color. So we're gonna first of all click on the background color and just change it. There we go. Okay, we can click on this, change the color as well from pink to, there we go. So that works. All right, and then go here, do the same thing. Remember to delete this. All right, remember to delete that. Make sure it's not on any one of that. Really great site. All right, so over here, download this free Instagram resource. Of course, this, we can change this. The most used words on Etsy is this is a digital, this is a digital item. Okay, and you can say available for instant download. Oh, just say instant download. Okay, let's just say instant PDF download. All right, so if you have a description right here, if you don't, go ahead and delete it because I do not have a description. Anyway, let's keep going. All right, this says rainbow planner, but no, we're going to change it to goal setting. Worksheet. Oops. All right, so let's move this. There we go. So you kind of see how you can just customize it yourself. All right. Okay, so we're gonna go over here and do the same thing, drag and okay, I feel like this one cannot be, you can drop on this one. Let me tell you what you can do. Okay, if you really like this background, okay, and you want to use this one at all costs, I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. So let's delete all these things. Right now, let's go to elements. All right, and we're gonna do rectangle frame, picture frame. Okay, rectangle picture frame, and see, you can see this one. Just click on this one. Let's use this one. So we're gonna go ahead and spin it with this. Okay, just try to align it. All right, and bring it here. Okay, try to align it to fit the screen of the iPad. All right, we're gonna move this up a little bit. That's too much. Okay, let's see. Oh, there. So you can see, and now you can now go to your uploads. You can drag this and drop it. See, super easy. As easy as ABC. Now we have all the mockups for our digital items already here. Okay, and you can just download it, okay, and use it for your listing on Etsy. Okay, so the next place we're gonna go, next thing we're gonna do now, let's create mockups for mugs. Okay, so let's go to designs. All right, and let's use this one. Okay, let's try this one first. Okay, so let's say we have that. Let's go to our uploads. Okay, I have this one that I designed for a t-shirt. Okay, and I downloaded it with a transparent background. That's why it has this checkers at the background of it. So we're gonna go ahead and delete this. All right, and we're gonna use this one. Good. So we're gonna resize it. Guys, you can see how easy this is. Delete this hot lemon tea, and look, you already have a beautiful mug mock-up. Okay, what do you think? All right, so let's go find something else again. Let's use this one. All right, go ahead and delete that beautiful looking croissant. We have the black one for this mug too. All right, so resize it and try to center it centered right there. And there you have another mug. Okay, so let's do one more for the mugs. Okay, let's use this one. I like this one, so let's use this one. Okay, and guys, you can use anything, anyone you like. I don't think I need to resize it at this point. Yeah, because that looks good. And that is how your mug will come out when it's been printed. Okay, so let's see if there's something else that we like. Okay, so let's just go straight to the, okay, let's try this one. Is this a mug? No, I don't think that's a mug. That looks like like a perfume or something. Anyway, so let's keep going. Now we have the mugs. Now let's make mock-ups for t-shirts. Okay, so we're gonna go add page, and I kind of saw one here already, so let's use this one. Okay, let's add page. Let's use maybe this one. Okay, good. Add page. You know what, let's try this hat. It doesn't hurt, right? And let's use the bag. It is easy to create mockups on Canva. All right, so let's go ahead and edit those things. Okay, so we're gonna delete this. All right, and go bring in our upload. So you resize it. Perfect. Okay, simple. And then do the same thing for every one of the shirts you have. Okay, I'm gonna delete everything. Which one should we use? The black. Okay, let's use the black one. So we're gonna go ahead and resize it. I think I should make it a little bigger. Okay, and just leave it over there. There we go. And the same thing for this beautiful hat. Okay, for this beautiful hat, we're gonna use the black one definitely. And guys, and I hope you guys know that you can print these things on Canva. Like you can print a hat on Canva. You can print, you know, on Canva. When you design, for example, if you design just a single hat, right here where you see share, when you click on it, it'll give you options to print it on Canva, and they would print it and deliver it to you. All right, so let's design this bag. Definitely the black one. Let's see, there, perfecto. Okay, what do you guys think? Do I need to spin it a little bit? I feel like I need to spin it a little bit so it's not bent. There we go. And the last but not least, this one, the same black one. There we go. And that is it. And guys, see, we have created mockups for digital items. Okay, if you sell digital items on Etsy, that is how to create mockups on it. And you can see while I was searching there, like there's like a lot of options in the search bar, like a lot that you can choose from. And these are for mugs, you know, really pretty. I think I like them. And these are for merch, like t-shirts, your hat, your bags, and all of that. Canva is an amazing tool to create mockups. So just go to the designs, go to your search bar, and just, you know, find whichever one speaks to you, whichever one you like, and just go ahead and customize, you know, according to, you know, what you want, you know. And like I always say, there's really no excuse. Everyone can make money. Okay, you just have to change your mindset, see possibilities in everything. Okay, and you will be able to do it. Okay, and be able to do it. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. It is my desire that everyone finds fulfillment, joy, purpose, and wealth in whatever it is that they do. Okay? All right, guys, if this video has been helpful to you, kindly hit that subscribe button. All right, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.